Hello students, example 1.8. If x is equal to minus 5, 1, 3, 4 and y is equal to a, b, c, then which of the following relations are functions from x to y? Right? Here we have three relations. We have to find out whether it is a function or not. Right? So let's check one by one. So take the first relation. What is the first relation? R1 minus 5 a, 1 a, 3 b. So now we have to check whether it is a function or not. So first we have to draw arrow diagram. So first we have to draw two circles, name it as x and y, and inside we have to write the elements of x and y. It is given in the question. So don't write minus 5, 1, 3, a, b here, right? So we have to write the elements given in the question. So x, y. So what are the elements of x? Minus 5, 1, 3, 4. Minus 5, 1, 3, 4. What are the elements of y? A, b, c. Right? So name it as x and y. This is relation 1. Now with this relation, connect the elements. So minus 5, a. So which means minus 5 and a are connected. So minus 5, a. 1, a. So 1 and a are connected. 3, b, 3 and b are connected. Right? So this is the arrow diagram for this relation. So now we have to check whether it is a function or not. So what are the conditions to check? All the elements in the domain must have an image. Check the first one. First condition. Minus 5. Yes. Minus 5 have an image. Next one is 1. 1 is also have an image. 3. Yes. 3 is also have an image. 4. But 4 does not have any image here. So first condition is not satisfied here. Right? So now itself we can conclude it is not a function because it does not satisfy the first condition itself. First condition is all the elements in the domain must have an image. Here this 4 does not have any image in y. Therefore it is not a function. So we should write like this. R1 is not a function as 4 belongs to x, does not have any image in y. Therefore it is not a function. Now go to the second relation, R2. So R2 is minus 5, 6, 1, 6, 3, a, 4, c. Sorry, minus 5, b. This is sorry. Minus 5, b, 1, b, 3, a, 4, c. Right? The same way we have to draw the arrow diagram. So draw two circles, name it as x and y. In x, we have to write the elements given in the question. That is minus 5, 1, 3, 4. And y is a, b, c. So a, b, c. So with this relation, we have to connect the elements. So minus 5, b. So minus 5 and b are connected. 1b. So 1 and b are connected. 3a. 3 and a are connected. 4c. 4 and c are connected. So now we have to check whether it is a function or not. So we have two conditions. First condition is all the elements in the domain must have an image. Let's check. Minus 5 have an image. 1 have an image. 3 have an image. 4 also have an image. So first condition is satisfied here. And second condition is all the elements in the domain must have only one image. Let's check. Minus 5 have only one image, that is b. 1 have only one image, that is b. 3 have only one image, that is a. 4 have only one image, that is c. Therefore both the conditions are satisfied here. All the elements in the domain have an image and all the elements in the domain have only one image. Therefore both the conditions are satisfied. So R2 is a function as each element of x has an unique image in y. Therefore it is a function. Right? Next go to the last one, R3. R3 is minus 5, a, 1, a, 3, b, 4, c, 1, b. Right? So this is R3. Same way we have to draw the arrow diagram. Right? All the x elements given in the question and all the y elements given in the question. Right? So with this relation we have to connect the elements. Minus 5, a. Minus 5 and a are connected. 1, a. 1 and A are connected. 3 comma B, 3 and B are connected. 4 comma C, 4 and C are connected. 1 comma B, 1 and B are connected. Right? So now we have to check whether it is a function or not. What is the first condition? All the elements in the domain must have an image. Let's check. -5 have an image. 1 have an image. 3 have an image. 4 also have an image. Therefore, first condition is satisfied here. And second condition is all the elements in the domain must have only one image. Let's check that. -5 have only one image, that is A. But what about 1? 1 have two images here. One image is A, another image is B. Therefore, here itself we have to stop. Because it is not a function. It does not satisfy the second condition. Right? Second condition is all the elements in the domain must have only one image. But this one have two images here. Therefore, it is not a function. R3 is not a function as 1 belongs to X, has two images A and B. Therefore, it is not a function. Right? So, R1 is not a function, R2 is a function, R3 is not a function. So, that's all about this problem. Thank you.